What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this. Everything that you need to know in this video today will be linked in the description below. So click that little down arrow. All the links, information about me, what we're talking about today, timestamps that you can click on if you want to jump around in the video, all linked in the description below. And please exercise your little finger muscles and click the subscribe button so that you can help my small channel grow. Okay, so what are we talking about today? What is my top pick? And how can you get started making $1,000 a day on autopilot with these programs? That's $30,000 a month. Would that change your life? It probably would. So that's why I made this channel. I want to help people get free from your boring, soul-sucking jobs so that you can retire early and have an amazing life. This is the first video I've done in almost a month because I just bought a new house. I'm planning a trip to Costa Rica and Panama. I'm planning a wedding next year for myself. So these are all things that I'm able to do because I am making passive income. I did some work a few months ago for a few hours, and now I'm waking up seeing $400 commission, $200 commission on the daily on autopilot from work that I did months ago. So that's what this is about. That can change your life. That's why we're here. Let's jump right into it. Enough talk. My number one top pick for the best high ticket affiliate marketing program of 2022 is Affiliate Tube Success Academy. And it's called that because it is a complete affiliate marketing course that teaches you how to do affiliate marketing with YouTube, and it gets you at the top of Google, number one on Google every time within minutes. I've done it. It works. With 100% free ads. Unheard of. Unheard of. It works. I've done it. It will be linked in the description below where I show you how I do exactly what he shows you how to do, and I come up number one on the Google search immediately. If you can get yourself number one on Google, you can sell anything to anybody. Billions and billions and billions of people searching Google every day. If you are number one on the first page of Google, you can sell anything to anybody. And that is what I love about this course is he doesn't try to teach you affiliate marketing or drop shipping or the whole how you do that. He teaches you traffic first, how you get in front of people, and that is how you make money. He reverse engineers affiliate marketing. Most courses say, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing. I'm going to teach you all this stuff, all these ways to be an affiliate marketer, and at the end of it, you're like, okay, but how do I sell my product? I know how to be an affiliate marketer, but how do I get my product in front of millions of people so that a big percentage of them will buy it? He teaches you that first. He teaches you how to get to number one on Google, get your face, yourself, your channel, your whatever in front of everybody, and then he teaches you how to be an affiliate marketer. Now that you are in front of all these people, sell something. You can sell anything now. It's amazing. Highly, highly recommend. That's why Affiliate Tube Success Academy is our all-time favorite high-ticket affiliate marketing program and product, both. It's the big kahuna. The number one way to make high-ticket affiliate commissions is to learn how to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer, which is what he is doing, and then sell this course, and guess how much you make on each commission? $400 on each commission that you sell. Every single sale you make, you will get $400 of that sale. You really only have to make 10 sales in a month to be making a full-time income and quit your job. 10 sales. Quit your job. $4,000 a month. That's called passive income. That's what it's all about. And you don't have to pay $5,000 for a coaching program like you do with Legendary Marketer. No offense, I love you, Legendary Marketer, but you don't have to pay $5,000 to get that special coaching. It's affordable. Do it. Back when I bought this program, it was $6,000 and it was totally worth it. It taught me how to build my own business, how to make passive income. I mean, I spent over $40,000 on college and didn't learn anything like this. I spent $6,000 and learned all how to build my own business, how to make passive income. And now other people can get it. You can get it for $997, $1,000, probably less than you spent on your last iPhone. So, hashtag priorities. I made my money back in the first couple months. I mean, I just don't have enough good stuff to say about it. But I love this program. Payouts are $400, so 40% every single time. If you sign up to be an affiliate marketer with this program, there's really no reason not to. If you don't have the $997 to buy the program, wait till you get your tax return or save up or use your credit card and pay it off. It's worth it. It's an investment. I get that not everybody has $997. If you're broke and you really can't afford it, don't buy it. But it's worth it. It's really worth it. And then once you become an affiliate for this program and you start selling this product to other people to help them get free with you, you're going to make up what you paid for it in 2 sales. 2. So I just can't recommend this product enough. Paul Murphy is an amazing guy. He's super down to earth. You don't have to spend money on paid ads, no Facebook ads, none of that. It's all the cost is right up front. You don't have to buy extra software. These are all the successful student testimonials, all the people who are making money from it. I mean, there's just a ton. So, linked in the description below if you would like to purchase the product, if you would like to become an affiliate for the product. I highly recommend it. And I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time giving you all the details about this program and this product because Paul Murphy does an amazing job of providing every piece of information you could possibly want before making a decision on if you want to buy this product and program for yourself in the webinar that he has created. So I will give you a link in the description. When you click on it, it takes you to his webinar that will show you every single piece of information that you could possibly want before making an informed decision on whether you want to invest in this high-ticket affiliate marketing course and program. That will be the first link I provide. The second link I'm going to provide is for you already affiliate marketers out there who already know what affiliate marketing is about. You already know what these courses are about. You already know that every course that is high ticket has a webinar that wants to show you all about what it is before you can buy it. And the webinars are usually about an hour long and you're like, I've watched so many webinars. I don't want to watch another webinar. I already know I want to get this course and be a part of this affiliate marketing program and start making $400 commissions on every single sale. I already know all that. So just give me the link, send me straight to the link. I will provide the direct link straight to the sales page, straight to the checkout page in the description below as well for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please hit subscribe so that my little channel can grow. Please leave me a comment. Let me know in the comment section if you like these videos, if you want more, if you need help, anything like that. I really am here to try to help you guys. I've been in your position before. I've been where you're at. I know sometimes all you want is just some help from somebody who's already successful. So if you need that, leave me a comment below this video. And thanks for tuning in. Go out and get free.